Hey, Maris here, founder of Web Highlights. In this video, I want to show you one of our most loved features, YouTube highlighting. To highlight a YouTube video, simply you can click this icon here in the extension toolbar, which already shows an indicator that this is a YouTube video. But we can also click this new control, which is added by our extension. And if you click it, it opens up a small loader. This can take a while if you open it for the first time or if it's a very long video. So this is our reader, and you can now go ahead and go through the transcript, make highlights as we are used to. It is exactly how it works on any other website. We can choose from different colors. We can add notes to our highlights. Let's add some note. And of course, this also opens up in the sidebar here on the left. And if we click on highlights here, we can also focus them in the transcript. Of course, we can also add notes, say TED Talk, not notes, tags, of course. You can add this tag here. And the cool thing is now that we can also play the video, of course. Let's mute this for a second. And when we forward a bit, you can see that the transcript goes or highlights the current part of the video. And another great feature is that we can focus or enable auto scroll, which will always keep the current part of the video in the view. So if we scroll, it always focuses on the currently played. And we can also do it, we pin the video, that will always keep the video in the frame. And of course, when we fast forward in the video, it also highlights the part which is currently set in the transcript. Of course, similar to how our reader works on different websites, we can also change between different color modes. Between dark sepia contrast is a very high contrast dark mode. Let's switch to the dark mode for now. And what we can also do is let's say we have a highlight here, we think this is interesting, we can also click here on the left on those timestamps. So let's jump to minute 3:31, and if we click on it, you can see that the video is played exactly here, and it also highlights what's being said right now, and that makes it very easy to jump to specific highlights we've made. Or if we want to search for specific things in the transcript, we can always directly jump to this position. Another super cool feature is our AI summary. Our AI summary lets you generate a quick summary of the YouTube video. Simply click here on AI summary, and the AI in the background is working on some key points, summarizing this TED Talk here in a few key points. There are more options for different types of summaries, and you can also make a medium or long summary, but more on this in our AI summary tutorial.